Hello Adele, hello Patrik. Today I'm on trek together with my sister Ira and brother-in-law Ernest. We are around Teide. Teide is over there. 3,700, I think 70 meters. This is nice walk around. And yeah, I just wanted to say hello. I want to say that I miss you as always. I would be super happy if we could speak with each other, because again it's let's say long time without seeing you. And yeah, and I really love you. Please tell mommy that I would really like to speak with her as well, if it's possible. And miss you every day. And whenever I'm enjoying something beautiful, I think about you, because of course I would like to enjoy it with you. So take care. Be good girl and good boy, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you hopefully soon. So kisses and hugs. Your tata. Love you so much, Papa.